Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to switch PowerShell to command prompt inside Visual Studio Code. If you're working on scripts or tools that require command prompt instead of PowerShell, this quick trick will save you a lot of time. Let's get started. First, open Visual Studio Code and press Ctrl-Shift-P. This will open a command palette. From here, type and select Terminal, select Default Profile. Once you click that, another drop-down will appear showing options like PowerShell, Command Prompt, Git Bash and others. From this list, simply select Command Prompt. Now, close the current terminal window by clicking the trash icon. Then, open a new terminal again. You will now see that Command Prompt is set as the default terminal instead of PowerShell. That's it for this video. Simple and clean way to switch your default terminal in VS Code. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more development tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.